Everyone, Namaskar. This is CS Harshvardhan Gaikwad from HGPA. I hope all of you are doing great. Well, as you all know, HGPA has been successfully conducting CMA batches across India for foundation, inter, and for final. Recently, the CMA Institute came out with a notification stating that the June 20 examinations will be merged with the December 20 examinations. This means that the students can give both the groups in December 20. It's a golden opportunity for everyone to clear both the groups in December 20 examinations. We had received n number of queries stating that when is HGPA going to launch a new batch for CMA Inter? Well, the time is finally here. HGPA is proudly announcing one more batch for CMA Inter on the 15th of August 2020. Yes, that is right. So we will be conducting demo lectures for CMA Inter students on 15th of August and on 16th of August 2020. Okay, so interested students, they may please call or WhatsApp on the number given here. And one more thing to add on, HGPA is conducting online live lectures. We are not like other classes that we are providing recorded lectures or pen drives, because we do believe that online live lectures are more powerful than recorded lectures. Okay, so students can ask their doubts in an immediate on real-time basis. So interested candidates, interested students may please WhatsApp or call on the number given here. Okay, and one more thing to add on to this, if you haven't subscribed for the channel, please do subscribe for the channel and click on that bell icon so you can get more notifications regarding the same. Thank you so much for watching.